Hey, here's a look at our Works Connection Elite axle blocks for your dirt bike. Working with race team mechanics on development ideas and through their feedback, Works Connection Elite axle blocks bring factory features directly to you. First of which is an integrated receiver post on each axle block that allows the use of a caliper to measure and accurately match the left and right axle block's position. This assures exact alignment of the chain and sprocket, so critical to prolonging chain and sprocket life, also helping your transmission life as well. Couple that with an ultra slim design, CNC fabrication, brilliant anodized colors, and you've got factory quality elite axle blocks available for Kawasaki, Honda, Suzuki, and Yamahas. Anodized in blue, red, black, green, or silver, and of course made in the USA. That's a look at the Works Connection Elite axle blocks. Any questions at all? Visit your local dealer or worksconnection.com.